Hey, this is Joe Hill from DoneRight Management. I happen to be at the Latitude adjustment, and we're going over the TV remote tutorial. So right here in this top left-hand corner is the button to turn the power on the television. Automatically what's popping up is the live TV cable, and that is what is the general setting. In the center of the remote is this round disc, and then in the center you've got the enter button. So as we switch towards the left, what we're going to do, actually what we're going to hit is the home button, just so that you can see kind of what shows up. And there you have all of the options that you have through this smart television. So initially what's going to default to is the live TV, that's your cable, and then you can cycle through. And if you have a Netflix account, you can sign into your Netflix account, your Prime Video, your YouTube, Hulu, and so forth. So just as you have any smart TV, it's connected. We're going to select the cable, and then it's a Cable One remote. Cable One is obviously traditionally used. You've got your channel buttons. Now the volume I see is not functioning on this particular remote. Your channels do change as you scroll up and down. As you're scrolling up and down, it does function. Now, one of the things that I've recognized for the volume using this remote, it is on the side. You actually have to push up. As you can see, and I couldn't figure that out for a bit. Now, as you can see on the left-hand side, the volume actually goes up. When you push straight down, and we're talking about just straight down on this, it goes directly to mute. So right now it's muted, unmuted, and if I'm going to toggle up, it'll increase the volume. And the same thing as I pull down does the same thing. So that's how you adjust the volume for this particular television using the Samsung remote, which is with the Samsung television. And just changing the actual channels on the cable box, you can go through if that's what you want to utilize. And then obviously, if you're interested in watching anything else on Netflix or anything else, you just have to hit the home button, which will then activate and pop up the different options along the bottom. And you can select all those. So this is latitude adjustment in the living room television control system with these two remotes. This one's for the television, that one's for cable TV. If you've got any further questions, you can call us in the office. That's 208-634-0030.